Hello guys, you are watching Noob Tech. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to install the Windows 7 on your PC or laptop. So let's start. If you don't watch our previous video, check the link in the description below about how to change your boot option to USB flash drive and how to create bootable flash drives. So first plug your bootable flash drive, then restart your PC, then change your boot option to flash drives, then you can enter this interface. So let's start the installation process. First, select your language installation and country and then click next. Then click on install now. Setup is starting. Just wait for a few moments. Okay, then accept the license items and click on next. In this interface, click on custom advanced to install your new Windows. Okay, click on custom, then select and then click on drive options and format your drive, but here I have no format option. Okay, format. Just to format your old Windows data to install a new Windows. But here I have nothing in that folder, in that drive, so I'm click on next. After this process, your PC will automatically restart. Okay, setup starting services. Just wait. Okay, completing installation. This process. Okay. When you press any key to continue, don't press any key. Okay, just do the process. Searching your video comments. Type your username. Next, password, I will need that. And take your give a product key. Next, set your date and time. Why you want, why you leave. Click on next. Okay, public link for no, I'm not. Just wait, don't press or click anything. Okay guys, congratulations, you have successfully installed the Windows 7. So thank you for watching guys. If it's helpful, then give us like, share with others and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.